Tilt and Shout siblings. The category is animal noises. They have Daddy as a lifeline that can help either one of them if they get stalled.
So if we're stalling for a long time, gosh, then
Okay.
you just say something. Not say something. Make a noise. Stop.
Okay.
Okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
Meow.
Woof. Ribbit. You broke it. Oink. Oink.
Back.
Nay. No, it's nay. Blood up. That's a fish.
That's blub blub.
Bzz.
That's
What was that, a snake?
That's a screaming goat. What was that?
a dog. Chihuahua.
I don't know. That's an elephant. It's tiger. That's one of them those crazy little birds. Anybody?
Come on, come on, come on,
I don't know.
come on. Aww.
To the best of my abilities.
You want to play that round again?
We can.
I can't think of any more animals.
I can't
can you?
either. I drew a blank.
I can think of animals. What noise do they make?
Think of an animal.
A fox.
Oh, I forgot one.
They make
Laughing
weird
hyena.
noises.
Hyena.
It's a laughing hyena.
What about cow? What do they do? I noticed nobody did cow because nobody wanted to.
Chicken.
What about a duck?
Quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack,
You
quack.
can save 15% on your car insurance. It's a Geico.
Gotta go to the zoo.